The best affordable makeup product that perform high-end but's underrated. The L'Oreal Prime Lab Dullness Reducer. If you have skin that is dull, this dullness reducer is going to brighten any of that and bring your skin back to life. It has 4% of niacinamide, which is going to help brighten the skin over time and prevent signs of aging. Everything on this side is more brighter, it's more even toned. The Maybelline FitMe Matte Poreless Foundation has been my go-to since I was in high school. And they recently reformulated this foundation, so it's better than ever. Just look at that skin match, and for it to be matte, it is so hydrating. The L'Oreal True Match Radiant Serum Concealer, y'all. This concealer is so freaking good. It's so freaking hydrated. It's not super thick, it's not too thin, it's the right texture. Just look at how it covers my dark circles without me using color corrector. That is amazing, girl. You need these concealers. Makeup Revolution, any of their powders, their banana powder especially, I love. I never receive any flashback when I am using this powder, and my under eyes stay crease free. Black Radiance contour palette was my go-to when I was a beginner in makeup. You literally have your contour, you have your sculpting, and you have a highlighter. The powders literally blend like a freaking dream. You can tap into the sculpt part of this, shape out the sides of the face. As Jason Wu, he has the best blush palette. You guys, look at these colors. These colors are so freaking rich and pigmented. Definitely a palette that is so underrated, and I don't know why no one is talking about this palette, this blush palette. Okay, if you guys have not tried these e.l.f. lip liners, you guys, these are the best lip liners. They're so creamy, they glide onto the lips so nicely, and they're so freaking pigmented. This is what I call affordable with high-end taste. This is the final look. Which affordable makeup product was your favorite? Drop a comment down below.